This is the rusty chair that I bought a few weeks ago at my favorite junk shop, and I want to clean it up just to use it as a display on the front porch. I'm not going to strip it or refinish it, so I'm just going to scrape off some of the loose paint. I don't want it all to come off, but some of it's loose and it's going to come off anyway. And then I'm going to clean it and wax it. So I'm going to start by taking off a lot of this loose paint. I'm going to do this all over the chair, front and back and top and bottom. Okay, I've got all the loose paint off that I can get right now, and I'm going to clean it with simple green. Now this will take some more of the paint off, but hopefully it won't take off all of the good stuff. And you can use soap or water or whatever. I just usually have simple green on hand, so that's what I'm using today. And I was going to see, hopefully, look how dirty that is. Ugh. Hopefully a lot of this white paint will lighten up some. Let's see if it'll get a little bit whiter. Nope, it's pretty grungy, so it'll lighten up a little bit, but not a lot. So it's going to take me quite a while to clean this chair up, and then I'm probably going to have to wait overnight for it to dry because you don't want to wax anything that's wet or damp. So let me get to cleaning this up. Okay, my chair is clean and dry, and it's time for me to start applying the wax to add protection for all this pretty chippy paint. I'm using Howard's wax. It's a neutral color. And as you can tell, it's almost empty, but I think I've got enough for the chair. But you need to use a clean, dry rag, a lint-free rag, and mine is just part of an old pillowcase that I cut up. So anything you've got on hand, or you can get some lint-free rags at the store. So you just get a little bit of wax on your rag. And you put a good coat of wax on, one coat of wax, and then wait for it to dry about 20 or 30 minutes, and then you go back and buff it up, and you can put several coats of wax depending on, you know, how much protection you think it needs. See how that darkens and makes the color a little bit deeper where you've got the wax? And when we shine it up, it's going to add a little patina to it. It'll be a really soft sheen. Okay, this is the last step, and this is the easiest step. I've got another part of my cut up pillowcase. Remember, lint-free. What I'm going to do is the wax is already dried. This chair's been sitting outside all day, and the weather's been really nice, and it's been windy, and you might have heard everybody mowing their grass and weed eating in the background when I was talking, but everything dried really fast today. So now all I have to do is buff up the wax, and you may not be able to see the difference in the sheen, but believe me, there's a real difference whenever you buff the wax. And you just shine it up like that all over, and you're done, unless you want to put on another coat or two of wax, and then you just repeat. Put the wax on, let it dry, and then shine it up.